Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hot chocolate lava using an easy method. First, gather all your ingredients including cocoa powder, sugar, milk, and a few other pantry staples. Next, prepare a small ramekin or oven-safe dish, lightly greasing it. Finally, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, getting it ready for baking this delightful treat. Now let's get to mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your dry ingredients, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Give them a good whisk. Then, add your wet ingredients, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until the batter is perfectly smooth and lump-free. This is where the magic happens for that incredible lava effect. Carefully pour about half of your smooth batter into the prepared ramekin. Now, take 2 or 3 squares of your favorite chocolate, dark, milk, or even white, and gently place them right in the center of the batter. Finally, pour the remaining batter over the chocolate, completely covering it to create that molten surprise. Pop your ramekin into the preheated oven and bake for about 15 to 18 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. That's your perfect molten core. Carefully remove it from the oven. For the ultimate indulgence, serve your hot chocolate lava immediately with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.